Most people spend years saying yes to things they don't want, to people who drain them, to plans they already regret before they start. Nobody teaches you that no is a complete sentence, so you learn it the hard way, exhausted, overcommitted, and resentful. Saying no is not selfish, it is self-respect in action. Here's the first thing to understand. Every yes costs something: your time, your energy, your focus. Say yes too easily, and you are spending your life on other people's priorities. The person who asks you will move on. They will find someone else, but you will carry that obligation. The second thing, most people fear saying no because they fear losing the relationship. But here is what actually happens. When you never say no, people stop respecting your yes. The ones who matter will respect your boundaries. The ones who don't were never really on your side. The third thing, no does not need an excuse. You do not owe anyone a reason. I can't make it. That doesn't work for me. Not this time. Clean, simple, final. When you start saying no clearly, two things happen. The noise around you gets quieter, and the things you do say yes to, they actually mean something. My child, learn this early. Your time and your energy are the most valuable things you own. You can always make more money. You cannot make more time. Every no you say with confidence is a yes to something that actually matters to you. Guard it like it's worth something, because it is. And now, choose your next lesson.